All right, so to answer this question, we know that we're dealing with double-stranded DNA. So in double-stranded DNA, the numbers of adenines must equal the numbers of thymines, and the number of guanines must equal the number of cytosines. So if I have 20% adenine, that must mean that I have 20% thymine. And that's a total of 40%. So I must have a total of 60% guanine and cytosine. And if they're evenly split, that must mean I have 30% guanine and 30% cytosine. So the answer here is 30%.